Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix notification sound not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, ensure that the physical silent switch on the side of your iPhone is not turned on or it's not orange. If it is, flip it to the off position to enable sound. After that, make sure your volume is turned up. Use the volume button on your side of your iPhone to increase the sound, or go to settings, scroll below, tap on sounds and haptic, and then simply adjust the volume. Now ensure do not disturb mode is not enabled. Simply tap on do not disturb and just like that disable them. Now after that, inside settings, simply tap on notification and then ensure all notifications are allowed for the app in question. Verify the sounds are turned on for each app. Now after that, simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix minor glitches, so press and hold the power button, then simply swipe to turn off. After a few seconds, turn it back again. Now, if nothing works, you can simply try resetting your iPhone settings. Open up settings. Inside settings, simply tap on general. Scroll below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Just like that, tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings. Note that this will not delete your data, but will reset system settings like Wi-Fi and wallpaper. And also, if you're using an outdated version of iOS, updating to latest version might resolve notification issue. So inside general, simply tap on software update, and if there's any update available, simply install it. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.